An effective cleaning process is one of the ways to prevent biological, chemical, and physical contamination during food production. To avoid cross-contact with food allergens, one of the most notable chemical hazards, cleaning processes must be validated for its effective removal and then verified regularly to ensure adherence to validated protocols. Cleaning protocol effectiveness for allergen management should be revalidated periodically or whenever there are changes in the production process, such as the introduction of new products, changes in product formulation, raw material, and chemical suppliers, installation of new equipment, and changes in packaging material, among others. The frequency of revalidation would depend on the allergen map and risk assessment of the food manufacturing facility, while verification can be included as part of the Sanitation Standard Operating Procedure or the SSOP of the company, most importantly during changeovers. Food manufacturing companies and other related industries are utilizing cutting-edge food allergen testing solutions in validating and verifying their allergen control program, thereby ensuring consumer safety, protecting brand reputation, and adhering to international and local regulatory standards. I am Fungo, Food Safety Ambassador, and this has been your Glenwood Bite.